The 4 Pillars of Life. Through the Wheel of 12. Purishartha, the classification of houses. Dharma houses. The pillars of divine purpose. First house, fifth house, ninth house. Artha houses. The pillars of manifested power. Second house, sixth house, 10th house. Kama houses. The pillars of desire and fulfillment. Third house, 7th house, 11th house. Moksha houses. The pillars of liberation. 4th house, 8th house, 12th house. Love what you see? Follow, like, comment, and share. It fuels the next drop.